Hey everybody, how we doing? Welcome back to Saws on the Farm. Got this Pioneer P28, just picked it up at a local flea market. Looks pretty clean. Doesn't look like it's got a ton of use on it. Threw some gas in it. Haven't even cleaned it up yet. I'm gonna pull it over and see what it'll do. Top cover's still intact. A little crack right over here. But overall, not too bad. See what happens. That's promising. Have to see if we get that carb adjusted. All right, we tried to get this thing started here. I've had the carb off. Check the diaphragm out. It's nice and soft. I think what I got going on now is the needle is not opening up all the way. I may have to adjust that a little bit. But yeah, I had to replace the fuel line. Just on the other side of this fitting into the tank, the line was torn. So I replaced the line in there as well. This is just the overflow. And yeah, not a lot of room in there for a fuel line, but it's tight. But anyway, we'll get it running eventually. Yeah, flea market find, indoor flea market around here where I live. And he had a couple of saws and grabbed this one cheap, you know. But yeah, get out there, find those saws, bring them back to life. Thanks for watching, guys.